I'm so excited for this. I have been waiting for this to arrive. Look at this. Oh, wow, look at this. So I've signed up for Immersion. It's this course for learning surface pattern design. And this is, wow. This is a big step up from the book last year. This is beautiful. This is going out to all of the students. This is the workbook that goes with it. And then welcome. They're like markers, useful references, things like that. Of course, content envelope. Ooh, the budding artist field guide. Oh, can't open that till graduation apparently. Okay, ooh, looks like a highlighter. So this is getting sent out to every single student. This actually, it feels like an actual like book you would get in college, like a course workbook. So you still have time to sign up for Immersion this year. Immersion has been one of those courses that it has helped me grow as an artist. It has helped me be able to focus and be able to use my art in different ways. I've been able to design pins with it and wrapping and bags and all kinds of things. And this is where you start. This is the starting point. Very few places can you say this is where you start. It's kind of ambiguous, but this is where you start. You should check it out. Get out.